Hey, McGinn, good to see you again. It's Mr. Lohn. Hope everyone is doing well and has gotten into the flow of school once again for this 2026 year. I was chatting with Mrs. Riff this morning, and we have a cute little book here that's just hopefully going to bring a smile. It's called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Here we go. Sorry, lost my voice. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... will I have hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Ooh. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom's gonna go bonkers, because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Uh-oh. So, boys and girls, I hope you like that cute little story about the penguin who gets the hiccups. I think we know what kind of food that little penguin needs to avoid. McGinn will be back with one more read aloud tomorrow to wrap up the week. You have an awesome night, and I'll see you soon.